Okay. Uh, Today we shall be looking at what you call double integration. You see, I have my first function being x and then 1. So starting from 1 to x. And then from 0 to 1. Now the function is x, y. Whereby I have this order. The dx, dy. The order is dx what? dy. Good. So now I'm to solve this question. Now looking at the order where I have my dx dy, I can say 1 is equal to x because this is inside, and then this is the outside. So see, the inside is equal to x, and then this is equal to y. This is also equal to y. Good, like this. So with this, now if I want to draw the the entire function, this is how it will be. It is either going to be a rectangle or a triangle. So I have this being the graph. Now when I'm plotting my y is equal to 1, let's see, on my y-axis I have 1. So this is y is equal to 1. And then when I'm plotting, that is y is equal to 1. When I'm plotting x is equal to y, so I have my x is equal to y. So x is equal to y. This is my 1 is equal to y. So I have my x is equal to y like that. So I have my x is equal to y function. Now the next one is x is equal to 0. So if I have a function and the function is such that x is equal to 0, so if x is equal to 0, that means we are looking at values on y-axis. So x is equal to 0, any value on this line. Provide now that we don't have a constant to predict the value that, so this x is equal to 0. You get it? Good. So now we have the graph. So if I want to solve this thing, it will be like now. The integration becomes this one 0 and 1, and I have my xy or dy, and I have my outside x and 1 like that. You get it? Good. So with this, I have to the y becomes a constant, and I have to integrate the x. So when I integrate the x, so that I'll get 1 and 0. So I have my y dy. So I have my x and 1 like this. Good. So when I integrate x, I'll get my x squared over 2. And when I place the values inside, I'll get my 1 squared over 2 minus 0 squared over 2. Like this. Good. Very good. Very good. So now I have the value being 1 over 2. So I have 1 over 2y like this. 1 over 2y. 1 over 2y dy. Dy. 1 over 2y dy. So now when I place the values inside, I will get my half. When I integrate this, when I integrate that, I'm going to get half y squared over 2. So that I'll get 1 over 4 y squared, where I have my s squared over 4 minus 1 over 4. Good. So s squared over 4. So I'll get my s squared minus 1 on 4. This is the final function I have to get. Now when I take the back order, the reorder, it's the function.